Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's wig review will be on Outre Neesha. This is the style 203 and I have her in the color number 2. I have already done 201 and 202. I will leave those throughout the video in the cards above and also in the description. So to see my review on this, please keep watching.
You gotta go, bye-bye.
So just from looking at this, the hairline does look really nice in here. It's not too full.
No, you got a lot of nerve. I guess you haven't heard. I'm doing fine, I'm here on my own. You think that you can come around here for some fun? Well, you got a lot to learn. Don't shake your head from side to side, saying that you're changing all that you see the light, 'cause you just say what you say is what you wait.
Alright, so this is the hairline. So compared to the original Neesha, this one is very flat. The other one was definitely just overpowering, too full. I feel like this one is probably like half the density of the original Neesha. Just like the rest of them, this one's soft. Of course, over time, because it's so long, I do think it's gonna start matting up in the nape area. But that's kind of to be expected with long wigs anyway. So I would suggest that you just take care of this, make it last longer. And I didn't go in and do anything to the parting space. That's just how it comes. And I just have a brown stocking cap underneath. So this is the length. And I'm about like 5'5.5". So that's where it falls on me. So I cut this off. It doesn't even look like it needs to be straightened. Well, I personally wouldn't straighten this. I think it's just nice and natural. It's definitely something that is beginner friendly and budget friendly. I know some sites may try to jack up the price, but this wig was around $30, $31 when it came out. So hopefully that price point stays the same so everyone can afford to get this wig. But it's definitely a grab and go, which I'm thankful for. I think this one has a little bit more styling options than the shorter ones. But I can still see this one getting tangled faster because of the length. But so far, just with playing through it, I'm not getting... I have like a strand. I don't know if you can even see that. But yeah, I have like a strand. So it's not, as right now, this isn't shedding for me too much. Yeah, I'm just getting like 1 or 2 strands. So yeah, this is a plus. I like this. So yeah, other than that, this wraps up my review. I think this whole line so far is good. Mind you, this is just my initial thoughts, initial unboxing of these wigs. So I will come back later and just do my final thoughts on all of them. And then say my favorite. As of right now, I am leaning towards this one because it is flatter. Like it is like a good density. So other than that, thank you all for watching yet another review. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please hit that notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. If you have any questions, leave those down below, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.